How to fix Origin for Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script file that will uninstall Origin for Mac. #bin/bash #stop Origin helper unload /library /launchagents /com.ea.origin.helper.plist. #remove Origin rmrf/application /origin.app. rmrf/library /application /support /origin /rmrf/library /caches /origin /rmrf/library /preferences /com.ea.origin.plist. rmrf/library /save /application /state /com.ea.origin.savedState / Echo Origin has been uninstalled. To use this script, simply copy and paste it into a new file in a text editor, e.g. TextEdit, and save the file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_origin.sh. Next, open Terminal on your Mac, navigate to the directory where the script file is saved using the cd command, and run the script by entering /uninstall_origin.sh in the terminal. You may need to grant permission to run the script by entering your Mac password. Note that the script will delete all data associated with Origin, including your installed games and any saved game progress. If you want to keep this data, make sure to back it up before running the script. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.